Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Honda CRV radiator. First, ensure your engine is completely cool to prevent burns. Gather all your tools, including a drain pan, wrench set, and new coolant. Locate the radiator drain plug, usually at the bottom, and position your pan underneath. This preparation is crucial for a smooth and safe replacement process. Let's get started. Now that your engine is cool, open the radiator drain plug and let all the old coolant completely drain into your pan. This might take several minutes. Once drained, carefully disconnect the upper and lower radiator hoses. Use pliers if needed for the clamps. Also, detach any electrical connectors or mounting bolts securing the radiator in place. Take your time to avoid damaging components. With the hoses and connectors detached, it's time to remove the old radiator. First, unbolt the fan shroud and carefully lift it out of the way, being mindful of any wiring. Then, gently lift the old radiator straight up and out of its mounting points. It might be a bit heavy, so be prepared. Inspect the area for any debris or damage before installing the new one. Now, carefully lower your new radiator into the mounting brackets, ensuring it sits securely. Reconnect all the hoses, electrical connectors, and reattach the fan shroud. Double-check all connections to ensure they are tight and secure. Don't forget to check the description for links to great deals on smart speakers and other helpful products. Finally, refill the system with the correct type and amount of new coolant, then bleed any air from the system. Start your engine and check for leaks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.